All right, so you're going through a divorce and you need to address the equity in your home, right? If you're gonna sell it, refinance, you're gonna owe the ex a certain amount of money, and you're going through all your options. In this video, I'm gonna break down the #1 hack to address this topic when you're going through a divorce. But first, all right, so you're going through a divorce and you know you need to divvy up the equity that's in your home. You could sell your home, right? That's definitely an option. And then whatever the proceeds are, split that based on the percentages. You could refinance cash out and then take that cash and then pay your spouse off, right? Your ex-spouse. Or if you don't have enough equity you can access in the home, right? So when it comes to cashing out of a mortgage, you're many times gonna be limited to 80% of the home's value. What about that other 20%? You may need to divide it up with your ex, right? So how do you address that? It's a thing called an Owelty lien. Okay, Owelty lien, right? Which is, let's say you're gonna owe your spouse $100,000, okay? They would be able to file a lien against the home, and then you'd refinance the mortgage to pay off that lien also. It's gonna allow you to access that extra equity in the home. So let's say it's $1 million home for easy math. You owe $800,000, so you can't access any cash, but you've got that $200,000 in there. So let's say you're gonna owe the spouse $100,000. What you would do is have them file an Owelty lien, refinance the mortgage, and be able to pay off that lien, paying off your spouse, right? Now, I'm not a divorce attorney. You obviously wanna talk to them through your options and all of that, but I've done many loans for clients in the situation, and it greatly saved them because many think, hey, I can only cash out, or I'm gonna have to sell my home to be able to pay the equity out of it. This gives you another option. It's an added hack, that you can use to kind of give you some options when you're going through a difficult time, all right? So an Owelty lien, something to think about. And comment divorce down below and I'll send you an ebook that I've written that goes over everything you need to keep in mind when you're going through a divorce, refinancing, buying your new home, all of those things. Hope you found this information helpful. If you did, I'd love to be your lender, and stick around for this next video. Think you're gonna like it.